turtles are amazing and fantastic creatures that can be found in all the warm tropical waters of the world. There are 7 different kinds or species of sea turtles, each with a different and unique diet and behavior, but they all share many commonalities. They all travel in long migrations throughout the ocean to find food, to mate, and to lay eggs. They crawl onto the same beaches to lay their eggs year after year. These eggs can number in the hundreds. These animals can live for a long time and take impressive dives. Leatherbacks, the largest species, eat jellyfish almost exclusively. Green turtles, on the other hand, are mostly herbivorous and eat sea plants like sea grasses and algae. Because of the large number of jellyfish they consume, leatherbacks and other species with a similar diet are important to the ecosystem. Jellyfish populations often grow in areas with a lot of people where nutrients are added to the water. Jellies prey on tiny creatures like plankton and baby fish. When there are too many jellies, fewer baby fish will survive to adulthood and reproduce. Turtles help combat that by consuming huge amounts of jellyfish. Leatherbacks are the largest sea turtle and can weigh well over 1,000 pounds. According to Heaslip, Ireson, Bowen, and James in a study in 2012, leatherbacks will eat over half to nearly double their own body weight in jellyfish every day. Green sea turtles are also important in their impact on the environment by grazing on older leaves of the seagrasses they eat to allow newer, more productive leaves to sprout. They also fertilize the sediment with their fecal matter. As reptiles, sea turtles must surface for air much like we do when we swim. But sea turtles are much more impressive at it. Most of their dives are short and shallow, but sometimes they swim down and rest on the bottom. These resting dives can last up to 10 hours. Humans can only hold their breath for a few minutes, but sea turtles can last much longer. Cold-blooded reptiles, like turtles, have metabolisms that slow dramatically at rest. This means that their body uses less energy and requires very little oxygen. But sea turtles are even better than most reptiles. Because of these long dives and migrations, sea turtles are difficult to observe and study. Scientists have relied on observations from boats or diving with the turtles, but being that close to the turtle can change behavior. This is a common issue for many biologists. How can we study behavior without changing their behavior? The answer came in the form of animal-borne video and environmental data collection systems, or AVEDs. These cameras are mounted onto the backs of the turtles using suction cups or glue and recording everything that the turtle does. This technology has allowed us to understand turtle feeding like never before. It observes what the turtle eats, amount and frequency, and even shows how they eat it. The cameras are also paired with devices that can track location with GPS, depth, and even miniature motion detectors. Used together, scientists better understand what the turtles do during different types of dives, like feeding, resting, or traveling. Some video even showed us new behavior scientists had not known about before. The green turtle will take special dives just to scrape against rocks and sponges to clean off the algae growing on its shell. This is a recently observed behavior never seen before and unique to the green turtle. While animal-borne video has offered great insight to understanding turtle behavior, there are still limitations. The greatest limitation is battery power. The length of a battery's charge is directly affected by the battery size. Smaller batteries have shorter charges. In order for these AVEDs to work properly, they cannot be too big, so the battery charge only lasts for several hours of video. To add to these issues, turtles must be captured to mount the AVED to their shell. After they are released, their immediate action is to get away from that spot, so their behavior has been changed. Some studies will delay the start of the video to get more accurate results, but the time is still limited. While the limitations will still impact our research and understanding, animal-born cameras have given us a lot of great video. Apart from scientists using this video to understand behavior, the rest of us get to see the world from the animal's point of view. The Critter Cam has been used on a host of different animals. The more we can change our perspective, the better we understand the world. The Critter Cam does a great job at that.